Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want to quickly show you how you can be able to use this platform to earn. It's just an app, so I'm going to show you how you're going to use it to earn free Bitcoin for yourself every single day without doing a single task on this website. So it's just an app, so it's just a daily cash app. So the app had limitation because of the method of withdrawal that was through paper, but there is a recent modification that will actually give you access to withdraw via cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. So it's very simple to earn now and also withdraw. So when you come to once you register, you see that you will have your dashboard here. So this is your home page. So when I click on home page, you see that I have tons of different tasks that you can actually perform, and also some apps that you can actually install to earn free coins. So when you earn this point, there will be they are just credit points that will be added to your balance right here. So you can see my balance right here. So once I have actually claimed this, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and continue with the next step, through which you can be able to be earning every single day without doing any task on this app. So once you register, what you're going to do is to come to your home like this, and you are going to see this application, the first one you're going to see. So let me go straight and show you the app that you're going to see. So you can see this top message app. So you see top message app right here. So this is just the app, and what you need to do is to tap on it. You will actually get to see that I have set up my own, but it's going to appear on the daily cash app. Right here you will see top message app right here as the first option. So what you're going to do, just like the way this one is appearing here, and you'll be earning 50 points, but this one is just 5 points. But when you install that top message app, you'll be earning 50 points every single day without doing any task. So what you need to do is to set it up and connect it to become your message app. So I'm going to show you how to do that. When you have installed it, just click on get to deal, just like this one. So assuming this is top messenger, what you're going to do is to click on it to take you straight to installation page, which is via Play Store. Once you've installed it, it will become an application. So now you go ahead and set it up. So how do you get to set it up? You will put in your details correctly, and you can see that I am already on the app. So when I slide down, you will see that the app is currently running. So you can see that I have so let me just show you something, guys. You see that I have this app running here. So you can see it right here. This you are earning so you can see it, you are earning money now. So it's active. Top messenger is actively working for me. So how do you get to set your own to become a background app that will be earning money for you? So once you've installed the app, what you're going to do is see that all your messages will appear just like the way you have message app. So what you're going to do is to tap right here. Just tap right here. You see these three dotted lines. Now you get to touch this earn money. Just click on earn money. So automatically you'll be prompted to this page. So next thing you're going to do is to connect your, it will show you to connect. So you are going to tap connect. It will connect with your daily cash app. So once it's connected, you see that there is connection here. So you can see connection here already. So what you're going to do is you'll be earning 50 points every single day on this app. So what do you need to do? Once it is working for you like this, and you've connected it, you can actually switch your SIM card using this option to, based on the option of the SIM card you're using to receive messages. So next you're going to do is to go back to the app. Every single day you will see claim. So after there is a countdown, you will see claim. Once the app is installed, it will appear here. So my own is not showing again, but I think it's due to network, but it's going to show here once you've installed it. So the next you're going to do, you will see countdown here behind it, and you will, after that countdown, you see claim. So assuming this is the app that you've installed, the top messenger, you will see claim uh, credit. So once you tap on claim, it will take you to the next step. You claim successfully, you will receive a message, and your balance here will increase. So that is how to earn with the app. So you can also go ahead and complete these ones, such as watch the best football match here. So once you watch this, you earn 4 credit. So you keep doing these ones. So you can also take survey, and you earn 2 credits for each survey. So you do that every single day. So you can also refer your friends to earn more. So once you refer your friends, you're going to earn 50 points, and your friend will also earn 50 points. So it's just a win-win event. So now the next you're going to do to withdraw, you have to come to this setting. So you can see that, okay, let me just show you this particular option of the earning progress. So you can see under payout, you see that you can see that the messenger, the top messenger, has added 50 credits to my account, being today being 11th. So that is how it ends. So now you see that currently I have $4.3, and the minimum you can actually withdraw is this particular 10 USDT. So it's just easy process. So when you keep connecting this every single day, you keep earning, as long as you're receiving messages, and the SIM card that is your main line is connected right there. So if you do that, you keep earning, and automatically make sure you use my referral code, so that you are going to receive 50 points immediately you register. So now, how do you get to earn again? How do you get to withdraw your earnings once you have reached that minimum? You have to come to this setting. So just click on this setting. You click on payment account. Just click on payment account. So once you've tapped on payment account, this page should be prompted for you to put your details correctly. So what you're going to do is to click on this, go to Binance. So to be able to make withdrawal on this app, so what you need to do is to come to this place, copy your wallet address, basically Bitcoin wallet address, which is BTC from Trust Wallet or Binance. Come to this place and paste it here. So once you've pasted it, you click on update. So that is simply what you need to do. Do not add any other option here. So that is how it is. Now during withdrawal, you need to come to this section where you have payout. Just click on payout. You will see that the option will pop up here. Because you have not reached the minimum, it's not giving you the option to make withdrawal. So once you have reached up to the minimum, which is $10, you can go ahead and place your withdrawal and receive it on this website. So it has been paying massively. The app has been paying massively, just that some people that couldn't have access to paper were not privileged to join this platform. But I've actually found it that the modification have added extra option for withdrawal. So that's why I've decided to make this video, to help people out there, basically my audience, to gain access and make money with this platform. At least you can be able to withdraw a minimum of $10 for free without any constraints. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and also give a like to this video if you had added value to you. And you can also join our group for more updates that we do not basically share on YouTube channel here. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.